Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. And welcome to a quick video on Algorand or Algo. Not sure how I'll call it in this video. It doesn't matter. You know what I'm talking about, hopefully. Wanted to do an update on that. I mean, it's I've talked about it. Well, not really about Algorand, but I talked about some other big networks like, well, obviously Avalanche and Cardano earlier this morning, and Algorand was one of the cryptos that has also been super bullish, all right, especially since yesterday evening when it broke above this resistance level around 17.5 cents. It has been absolutely rallying, and Algorand in general, since this bullish momentum started, has been doing amazing. It's also deserved. Algorand has a great community. It serves some real utility, or at least it does its best to do so. And apart from that, Algorand has also fallen down a lot, all right, in the last year. I mean, Algorand, most cryptos right now are higher than the levels they were at in March. For Algorand, it's still going to take a little bit, but still, it's bullish right now. So let's stay positive on it. And like I said, wanted to give you an update. So the main reason why Algorand is very bullish right now, in my eyes, is that right now we're in the middle of a bull cycle. Right? So Bitcoin was very bullish. Let me quickly look up Bitcoin. You know what's going on with Bitcoin, but still, Bitcoin was strong. And then what usually happens in these cycles is that after Bitcoin, big altcoins start to rally. And what is one of the biggest veteran altcoins? Algorand. All right. I'm not sure how Algorand is doing in terms of, I'm not even sure if I can find out how their ecosystem is doing right now. Some of these layer one, some of these other blockchains are doing very, very well. Algorand, pretty well. I mean, pretty well. Since October, total value locked has gone up from about 50 million to 200 million. So yeah, no, that's doing great as well. So that's great to hear. And that's, well, yeah, there are multiple reasons why it's bullish. I mean, you can also see that the open interest right now is super strong. We had a bit of a drop, but that's also because we hit a significant resistance here at, hit a significant resistance here at 22 cents and 22.5 cents. So now the main question obviously is to dive into the technicals. Will Algorand rally up higher? And to be honest, I see nothing bearish about Algorand. All right, right now, like I said, if you look at the momentum, sure, we had a bit of a drop in the last 30 minutes, but it's still super high. Algorand still has a long way to go up to the top. There's no scarcity of momentum or room to grow. But I do think, I mean, it is the weekend. Bitcoin is dropping down a little bit now. And Algorand, like I said, I mean, the open interest is still strong, but there is a bit of a drop. So I do expect Algorand to find resistance here in this level right here between 22.5 cents and 23.5 cents. Especially 23.5 cents is a strong resistance level. And then from there, frankly, I see no reason why Algorand would not be bullish afterwards. But it depends a little bit on what it does. Because if we find resistance at 22.5 and 23.5 cents, and we, for example, drop down to, there's this minor level right here, you can see it. There's this minor level right about here. So for example, or basically, I think there's two scenarios. All right, so Algorand hits this resistance level. Obviously, it could also break through, but that seems unlikely with the momentum it has right now and with the market circumstances. So I expect it to find resistance there, and then two things can happen. It either holds this support between 20.5 and 19.5 cents, in which case it will, well, consolidate a bit, but then rally up higher towards 25 cents and then potentially up to 27.5 cents. Or Algorand will drop down to that level and hold it initially, but then drop down below that level. So drop down below, let's say 20 cents. If it does that, it will probably drop down towards 17.5 cents, consolidate, and then later still break above 20 cents and head up towards 25 cents. So I'm bullish on Algorand, but whether I expect it to rally and keep rallying in the short term, or whether it's more likely that we'll get a bit more of a pullback, consolidation, and then a bullish breakout again, that depends very much on how it reacts to the support between 20 and 20.5 cents. So keep an eye out for that. Like I said, I do expect resistance here. It's not guaranteed, but it seems unlikely to me why it wouldn't. So yeah, those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, then of course, let me know down in the comments. Down in the comments, in the pinned comment in the description, you can also find more information on my own premium and signal group for if you want to earn some extra money and become a better trader. But that's up to you. All right. So for now, I want to thank you all for watching and listening. Take care and bye.